Woke up foggy, tense, and disconnected from your body? That's your nervous system begging for rhythm, not more noise. Let's ground your breath, loosen your spine, and find your flow again. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees wide, forehead on the mat. Breathe, feel your belly press gently into your thighs. Now shift forward, flow into cobra. Press into your palms, chest lifting, shoulders down. Exhale, send your hips back again. This movement is your morning pulse reset. I promise it anchors your breath, lubricates your spine, and starts switching your nervous system from stress to clarity. Beginners, keep your elbows bent in cobra. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top and lengthen your exhale. Here's something wild. Even 1 minute of a breath-focused movement like this boosts oxygen to your brain and balances cortisol. Stay with me for 5 more seconds. That just reconnected your spine. Now let's bring your hips into the rhythm. Stand tall with your hands on your hips. Start circling your hips in big, slow, controlled loops, clockwise first. This isn't just for kids, it's coordination for adults who've lost their flow. I promise this stretch builds deep core stability, releases stuck fascia in your waistline, and enhances body awareness. Beginners, keep it small and slow. Advanced stretches broaden the circle and challenge your range. Switch directions halfway. Feel the difference? Ask yourself, are you leading with control or just momentum? Let's do 5 more seconds each way. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's unwind your torso. Feet shoulder width apart, reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left. Breathe into your ribs. Come back to center. Switch sides. This is your posture realignment and breath booster. I promise this decompresses your spine, creates space for your ribs, and resets the obliques that keep your core upright. Beginners, use your opposite hand on your hip for support. Advanced stretches, add a side twist with the bend for deeper range. Can you stay lifted through the chest while going deeper into the stretch? Hold the lean 5 more seconds. That just expanded your lungs. Now let's hit the full back body. Sit with your legs extended, hands behind you, fingers forward. Push through your hands and heels, lift your hips. Open your chest to the sky. This is the most underrated posture move you're not doing. I promise this stretches your chest, hip flexors, and ankles while firing your glutes and spine. Beginners, keep your knees bent in a reverse tabletop. Advanced stretches, point your toes and lift your hips higher. Most of your day is spent collapsed forward. This flips the posture script in 60 seconds. Stay strong, don't drop. Five more seconds and we'll end grounded. That just activated your chain. Now let's lengthen it fully. Stand wide, arms out, hinge forward at the hips. Reach for your right toes. Back to center, now left. Keep alternating slowly and stay long through your spine. This one ties everything together. I promise you'll lengthen your hamstrings, decompress your lower back, and finish centered. Beginners, bend your knees slightly. Advanced stretches, reach past your toes and hold the bottom longer. Can you touch the floor with control, not momentum? Last 10 seconds, hold your favorite side. Now switch. Feel that? You're not just more mobile, you're more present.